Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from TAMIYA. This is a U.S. tank M41 Walker Bulldog, part of the 135 or 135th Military Miniature Series. This will be number 55, and this was actually obtained in the 1990s, I believe. So here on the front cover, you can see here the Tamiya logo, large illustration, and then some of the descriptions there in different languages, as well as even more kind of a stock set of illustrations there. If we look on the edges and the sides here, you can see here a smaller version of the cover illustration, more product description there, and then continuing around here, we can actually see here a little bit more information here. This is actually a sticker added onto here. So this is actually now model number 35055, and something kind of underneath the staple 1500. And then here on this side, the barcode is also a sticker applied on. You can see here then some other examples of items from the 135 series. And then similarly, this side. Now the bottom there shows the bottom half of the box. And if we go ahead and take a look on the inside, here we can see black and white illustrated instructions here, and the way it folds out. So if you actually just take a look from this side, this is how it could be in a presentation that way, with its actual photographs, illustrations of other items from the time frame, as well as a little bit of reference history there. And then continuing, a little bit of read before assembly instructions, and then the actual assembly instructions themselves with a little suggestion on what your finished model might look like. Looks like I made some notes there, planning out what to do about detailing this version. And you can see here, some of the parts have already been taken off the tree because this was actually a project that was put on the back burner. But you can see how far this one got. Not too bad. Nothing painted yet, and just a basic chassis structure put together. And again, a lot of parts taken off the tree and then bagged separately. You can see some wheel assemblies that were worked on. A little bit of the turret there. Looks like I had a cassette case that I was using to hold some separate parts. Here we have some stuff for the figures. And rubberized treads. Whether or not I would use these. These are still very soft and flexible. So for treads that might be almost 30 years old, these are in pretty good shape, I think. Here's some parts that somehow broke loose. So luckily they are still here in the box. So here's a good opportunity for the cassette case, I guess, in the meanwhile. And looks like something was on there as well. So this is going to go right into play right now. Not sure what this is. That might be actually something too. A very tiny grab handle or something. So let's put that in here. And then we also have something else at the bottom here. So you can see here, more product information in a variety of languages. And additional instructions. Very interesting. So you can take that in comparison with these as well. And here will be your decal set. Not sure how well these have held up. I tried to keep them from separating and cracking. And of course, putting these all back into the box in the same way is a challenge, but just wanted to take a quick look of something from TAMIYA. This is the U.S. Tank M41 Walker Bulldog from the 135th Military Miniature Series, number 55. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We're also going to try to do some show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.